Ritika, and today I'm going to open this Sephora Wild Wishes eyeshadow box. So this was given to me by my husband on Karva Chauth occasion, and I'm going to unbox this and see what kind of eyeshadows I'll have. And there are a lot of things in this particular Wild Wishes makeup palette. So here you can see it has 60 eyeshadows, 11 lip glosses, 3 cream eyeliners, 3 brow powders, 3 highlighters, 3 blushes, 3 bronzers, and 1 eye pencil, 2 brushes, and 1 eye brush, 1 complexion brush. I think at the back we can see that which one corresponds to which thing. So we can see here these are 3 bronzing powders, 3 highlighters. So these 3 are the highlighters, these 3 are the bronzing powders, and we have couple of eyeshadows, like it says 60. So we'll open it and see how many eyeshadow we are going to get out of this box. So let's see. I am excited for it. I think I don't need to buy anything after this related to my eyes, especially not eyeshadows. Nicely wrapped. Here is the box, which looks good. So let's open and see. Oh wow, that's amazing. So these 3 are the highlighters, these 3 are the bronzing powders, and the brow powders, and we have all these eyeshadows, which includes sparkling ones and the normal ones. So, and I think these are the lipsticks. We have 2 brushes in this. This could be used for eyeshadow, and this is the brow pencil. As we can see here, it seems good. In this box we have 11 lip glosses. I would really like to try these out and see what are the color options we have. So this is the light color which we can wear, and this is really dark one, the brown shade. So these 2 are nude colors, and we also have a red. Wow, that's amazing. I really like this one. And I think I need to clean the brush before I go for the next ones. So I think I have another brush which I kept here. So let me try this one. This is the orange. And this is really light shade. If you just want to have a gloss on your lips, you can just apply this one. And we have this pinkish color. Wow, this is also nice. I really like this one. So this you can apply on any lipstick. This is just a glitter one which you can put on top of any lipstick. And this is a chocolate brown shade. This is, I think, peach color. And here is the golden one. And this is the last one. Wow, this is also nice. I really like this, and this. I think they all are useful and good to go. So this is the yellow color, which was very light. If we want to do a light makeup, this could be a good color to use. Is it visible? I'm going to show some dark colors. So here is the green color which I can use, and then we have blue. There is a dark blue as well, and the purplish color. I didn't have this color before, so I really like it. This is also a very nice color, the pink one.
This is brown or pink?
This is actually pink. So these two are different shades. One is a little lighter. This is the brown color, if you wanna see.
Okay.
Now I'll apply some sparkle ones, the shiny ones. I really like this one. This is the golden. This is the color. The brown color is there at the back. I think that's why it's a little darker than what we can see in the palette. And here is the green one. I really like this one as well. This is kind of everyday's makeup color. This is a little darker than this one, and we have this pinkish color. And we have this purple color, which is really nice. So these are the sparkle ones. I'm not going to apply all of these, but I think I have a good combination of colors now. And there is a mirror also in this palette box, so you don't need anything other than this to get ready.
But why is there leopard below the mirror?
It's just going to show you that you're bold and go gorgeous, do your makeup. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and do like and subscribe the Heal channel if you really like this video. Thank you so much.